Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 20 of Follow a Sketch February. Here is our sketch, another big circle, so I am still going to be using these Scrapping Reflections circle stencils. This is hosted by Sandy Ravinsky, who is State Goddess here on YouTube and the owner of Scrapping Reflections. So I've been enjoying making sure that whenever I need a stencil, for the most part, I try to pull a Scrapping Reflections. I have so many beautiful stencils from her shop. Check it out. I'm not affiliated with her anyway. I just really love the stencils. We have one large circle, and then we have some papers, two photos. So we have a horizontal and a landscape. I've got that. I've got the girls sleeping on the couch. Well, Bee laying there, Maggie staring out the window, wanting a better life. We say that all the time. This is how this dog sits. As you can see, we've got that going on. She wanted to go outside. It was a nice day, and then the sun set, and she still wanted to go outside. So there are the photos. I am also incorporating this into Paw Your Way into Hearts. It is a lovely collaboration of many individuals. It started years ago with me and the lovely Miranda Weber doing a pet themed once a month hop. We collaborated together and then we opened it up, so obviously pets are the thing. And I'm going to be doing Ginger Bush's Dining Around the World hop. We're going to do Ukraine today, summer layout. So I've got my summer pictures. I mean, you can't tell they're summer, but it'll be fine. And then I have this Simple Vintage Linen Market. It was 2024 Simple Stories, right? But it's a summer collection. And it actually works well with the other requirements for the Ukraine recipe, which is summer layouts, blue and yellow papers, red and bellies. So as you can see, this is an entirely blue, yellow, and red situation. Okay, and the red embellishments, we have those. And then for the extra entry, torn paper. So I thought for the background pieces, I can tear them and then I'll scuff up that circle when I get it cut. Okay, so we have those. I'm also going to pull in red stars and then red floral bits, just to, you know, get that red theme going and use up supplies. So what do we have? We have lots of little bitty scraps. We have, so that's red. We need yellow and blue. There we go. There's some yellow. And this piece goes this way. Okay, so here's my idea. I'm going to use this piece, then we're going to use this piece, but it's actually not going to be long enough there. I might just use them all. I'm okay with that. So we're going to put all of this stuff to the side. We're going to tear this, but what I'm going to do for this circle is pretty darn big. So we're going to do this, but I'm not going to cut that whole circle out. Okay, I'm going to cut this guy out and let him become this portion of the layout and lay that photo on top of it. So I'm going to take my time and do that. I'm going to get these other pieces in line. I'm going to trim these guys down to probably 3x4s, mat them, have some fun. So give me a minute to get this done and we'll come back and do everything together as much as we can. All right, so I've got this on here. And as you can see, I cut the circle out and I've got the strips. I've got this as a big off-centered element. I've popped up these little bits on some foam. I want to do the title in a red. We're going to go, I'm just going to pop it right here. We're going to go So Sweet right there. Okay, so this is a summer layout, yellow and blue papers. We have red embellishments, and I've torn those papers. So Ukraine, done. We could actually do Hello So Sweet, but I don't think that's gonna work for me today. I don't know if I want to use that. Ooh, the lemons might work though. So I've got to get. Let's go ahead and put that as the base down here. Cover up some of that dead space. Now I do have this whole sticker sheet. Well, not the whole sticker sheet because I've obviously made it. Trying to see. I actually do like this. Kind of tuck it in over here. Okay. And we have the little fantastic. I'm gonna grab the bumblebee too because of bumbos. Her name is actually Bee. It's actually Becca, but I adopted her. I rescued her. And she had my name, so I had to change that. Put the bee there. Let's get this little ladybug on here. Put it over there for Megs. And do the two red hearts. Take this one over here. We'll put this one down here. Then we've got this little red heart, which I'm going to put down here. That's Maggie chewing on our yak bone. Add one up there. Pop the top of this. And we'll add some glue to the bottom. Okay, give it a little hold. And then I'm going to get this guy here. I'm going to put this one here. And put this one down there. I don't even know where I got those big ones. I've had them forever. Let's see. What else? Lovely. Tuck friends underneath there. Little subtitle. Oh look, I didn't even realize that I made it kind of similar without even intending to do so. I actually like this right here. Come on. Memories. Do breezy and sunny and tuck sunny in over here. I'll put breezy. Maybe we won't. Nope. Let's get the rest of the hearts on. Okay. So that guy, I didn't even realize he was there until I touched him and I just put it down. So let's bring that there. Put that one there, and then let's get this blue one up here, and then there's another blue one right here. Had like a pain. Let's stick those like that. Okay, I think we're good using that. I like that, but I just don't like that trap space right there, so we're gonna let that go. And we're gonna put these back with the stuff, and then we're gonna put the stars on there, and then I think we're gonna be done. So that's actually super fun. So let's just go ahead and add star, star, and then we'll put a star here. So don't forget to check everybody else that's playing along with the hop for both Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts and Dining Around the World. And then the Follow a Sketch February. Super excited. We're on day 20, so only 20? Yeah. So only 8 more to go. How crazy is that? So hopefully I can get that finished up this weekend. Today is the 24th. I go back to work on the 28th. Oh, I'm sad. That's me crying. Yeah, I'm ready to go back. And then tomorrow I won't be. So it'd be fine. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Do all the fun YouTube-y things like subscribe, join memberships, check out Facebook groups, and definitely click the links down below. Bye.